Foretell. Old legends foretell a great flood. The oracle is foretelling a change of fortune. Scientists have foretold this shift for decades. Astrologers have been foretelling disaster all year. The seer foretold the king's downfall. The prophet was foretelling war when the crowd fell silent. The elders had foretold the drought before the wells ran dry. The novel had been foretelling the crisis for chapters before it struck. No one can truly foretell the future. The models will be foretelling the climate for the next century. By the sequel's end, the author will have foretold every twist. By then, the almanac will have been foretelling harvests for 200 years.